If you've ever spent time on retouching, you're going to love Evoto. I showed this to you 2 years ago. There's been a lot of updates. So let's have a look at some of the new features right now. And this video is sponsored by Evoto. So as we can see here, we're starting in the library where we can import our images. And I can hit G and go into grid view, and we can organize them into projects, different things like that, collections, etc. Just kind of a little bit like you would in Lightroom. And we also have some AI assisted culling, different things like that. Not going to go super in depth into that, but what we're going to do is we're going to look into the edit. Now, when we go into edit, we have a lot of different tools. We have presets, we have masks, so I can go in here and we can choose the different parts of the masks. So these might be the kind of things that you've seen before in Lightroom, but this is where the similarity ends. When we go into the portrait retouching, we have incredible AI-powered retouching that we can fix almost anything at a push of a slider. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of different categories, and let's look at some of them. Have you ever tried to reduce the veins in a hand? That can take a while. A newer feature is the hand vein. We can completely remove it, or we can decide how much of it wants to show. Another new feature is tattoo removal. Let's test it out on this image where we have 3 tattoos. We have one on each shoulder, and there's a little one here, and let's see if it gets them all. So we're going to go down to the body refinement, and then you'll see tattoos. Just simply click it. And yes, it does actually work that fast. And look at that. It got them all, even the partial tattoo. Also worth mentioning, Evoto is now available on mobile as well as iPad, as well as the desktop. And it's worth mentioning right now that Evoto are running their summer sale until July the 23rd, where you can get up to 25% off. And you can also get an additional 95 bonus presets by using the code Colin, or just click the link in the comments. So the first thing we can choose, do we want someone elderly? Are we going to do a female, a male? So even if there's a bunch of people in there and we choose female and I make adjustments, it's only going to make the adjustments to the female. Just like if I chose male, it would make adjustments to the man. Choose the type of person you want to retouch, in this case, a female. Let's do blemish removal. We can do freckles and acne. Notice it still keeps the texture. And we can also do freckles and acne separately. So if you want to keep freckles, we can do that while removing the acne. We can do dodging and burning on the skin to smoothen and even it out. We could do the equivalent of frequency separation right here. And skin softening if you want to soften it off more. One thing I like here is the ability to change the texture. So we could go for a matte or a satin. I'm going to keep that matte. And of course we can adjust the individual parameters here. So we could reduce that texture if we wanted. So if you want to unify the complexion and colors, we can do that here on the face. We could also do the same thing on the body. We can even apply makeup if we want. We can do it individually here. Or we could go and use some of the presets, such as youthful. Maybe we want cat eyes. Caramel. Elegant. And as you can see, there's a lot of options here. And we have background adjustments. So say I want to get rid of the distractions. I can just choose distractions removal. Boom. And if we want to clean up the wrinkles here on the backdrop, we can choose clean backdrop. So we could go in here and we could do mask. So we could choose a person. We could also choose background, pets, different things like that. And let's choose person. And then we could do the entire person. Or we could do different parts of the person by choosing the different areas that I want to select. Like maybe the facial skin. And then we could make our adjustments. So once we've applied adjustments, we could save a preset, choose what we want to include, hit save. We can see they're right there. So if we reset it, then apply the preset, there it is. And say I have more pictures of the same model and I want to batch process them. It's really simple. I can just select them all. Let me click on the one I want to copy the settings from. And then I just simply choose sync. And that will sync these adjustments to these other photos. So we can go here and we can see the before and after views. And if you wanted, you could sync these to hundreds of images and just save a lot of time. So there's also things we can do here, like body reshaping and different things like that, which is something that I don't really do in my kind of work. So we're not really going to look at this in here. And there's other tools in here, like we can adjust the clothing if we want. Something that works quite well here is the de-wrinkling. Let's have a look here. So for example, I've got this picture here of Brooke working out. See the wrinkles in the clothing? Turn it all the way up, boom, just like that, it can fix it. And I know you've spent a lot of time retouching these kind of things, because I have. And it's nice to save time with those kind of things. There's also a category here under pets. So if you're doing pet photography, you could find that useful. It's not really something I'm doing. But then there's another new feature, and you'll see here, connect to camera, where now we can do tethered shooting. Not only can we do tethered shooting, we can actually set it up to work with a preset or an adjustment. So as we're shooting the photographs, it's applying the adjustments automatically. So this can save a lot of time. And also, you can flatter your subject if they're looking at a monitor and seeing the preview of the tethered shot. So one of the things that makes this quite unique is the pricing model. You might have noticed that there's a little watermark on there. That's because it's free to download, install, and even make the adjustments. You only pay for what you use. So there's two pricing models. One is where you just buy a certain amount of credits and use them as you wish. So all this work you're doing right now is not using credits. It's only going to use credits as I export the images that I want to keep and use, and I pay just for those. You can also pay for an annual subscription if you prefer that. You can click on the link in the comment underneath, use the code Colin, and that'll give you 25% off while the summer sale is going right now, plus you'll get some extras. So thanks for watching. If you want to see my original Evoto video I did 2 years ago, check it out right here. It goes a little more in depth into some of the features. Now drop a comment underneath and let me know, did you see the original video? Or what do you think about this? Is this something that you might use? Are you doing a lot of retouching or not? Let me know in the comments. And by the way, if you're new, welcome to the cafe. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. You won't miss any of my tutorials. And until next time, I'll see you at the cafe.